So I love doing these you know,
Tiny adventures.
yeah, like little adventures and like unplanned adventures, which does not require like a month of planning. Like just think about it and then just like follow that thought. So during the lockdown, I think we all got sick of staying within our apartments and homes, right? And especially I was based out of Bombay, and Bombay has like these really closed kind of spaces a lot of the times. So then I convinced my entire family, including my husband, my cats, his parents, my parents, everybody to, so 4 of us to move to the mountains. And we did that in 1 week. We packed all our belongings, got our cats on a train, and yeah, we just left. We just moved from Bombay to Uttarakhand for about 8 months, and we did that in a week. And then in the middle, then we stopped at my hometown, which is Nagpur, and then so it was a long journey that we took in a very like a short time. So, because of the lockdown, we were all working remotely, so that was fine. So we were all working online, and it was a very little village. Like it had about 8 families living together, and we lived in like 100-year-old house with like no, like really minimal resources as well. So the family also like stayed with my in-laws. They have a house there. So we grew our own food, did some farming. The cats were free to roam around in the fields. And yeah, it was from like a very glamorous environment to the bare minimum, and that really like tells you something, right? And the people there are so happy, they're so content with what they have. The quality of life is still fine, right?
Did you feel bad when you had to come back to the city?
Of course.